Hi, so how to get your first $100 day with Clickbank. Now, if you stay until the end of this video, I will be sharing with you exactly step by step what is the number one thing that you need to understand and apply to have your first $100 day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, you see, most of the gurus out there are saying to you, pick a product, go get the traffic, and the sales are going to take care of themselves. Now, if that would be true and that easy, then of course everyone would be having consistent $100 days or $1,000 days with affiliate marketing, or let's say Clickbank or any other affiliate network. Now, is it possible? Yes. Is it probable as a beginner to have $1,000 days? Let me share it with you in this video what you need to understand. Now, of course, first thing is you need to have a product. But what kind of product? You see, everyone say pick a product with gravity, which is not true, right? Most people are not telling you exactly what to be careful about or what to consider before you are picking a product. The first thing you need to know, is this a product, a high quality product? Will the consumer get its value, right? Why? Because you want to have consistent reorders. For example, me, I'm promoting products where people are reordering, same customers buying products every single month from me. Why? Because they're getting value, right? They're getting value for the price that they pay. So consider this, the offer and what is the refund rate, right? Because if the refund rate is really high, for example, with weight loss supplements, in many cases, the refund rate is really high. So even though you make $5,000 in a week, right? Or $5,000 a month, what difference does it make if, for example, someone else is making $2,000 a month, but they're getting 0% refund, but you're getting, let's say, 40% refund, right? It's really high. So you must understand what kind of offer you are promoting as an affiliate. Another thing is awareness levels, right? If you're running Google ads, for example, let's say in this example, I will give you Google search, Google pay-per-click, right? Google PPC. It's important to understand awareness levels and intent, right? It's not about the traffic source. The most important thing you have to understand is intent. What is the intent of your audience, right? Are they buyers or are they only looking for the information? Because if they're only looking for the information, they will click through, right? You will have a huge click-through rate, but you will not get sales. So it's really important to understand intent behind the click. Is that buyer? Is that the click that came through a buyer's click? Or is that one an informational based click, right? Most people are curious, right? When they see your headlines, your ad copy, they're curious to know what is behind it. Now, if you position your copy the right way, right? If your copywriting is done correctly, and if your offer is high quality one, then everything else will take care of itself, right? If you have let's say a Clickbank product for $150 or $100, and you make $90 to $130 per sale, then of course you will be able to make more money based on the upsells, not only the front end sales, but also the back end sales, right? So it's really important to pick the right offer and positioning, right? Position your offer correctly with ad copy, the headline, right? And your targeting. Because, for example, if I go to Africa, if I go to Egypt, for example, and there I meet people who don't have water, I can offer them a bottle of water for any price. They will pay for it. Why? Because the demand is really high, it's huge, but supply is really low, right? No water over there. So you must understand, you need to have a starving crowd, right? Starving crowd of people, right? Where you want to sell hot dogs, right? Where are maybe most, like, let's say, overweight, hungry people, right? Whatever, how it sounds, right? It's true. You need to find the starving crowd. So intent behind your ad, it's really important, right? If you have the right intent, then you can of course scale your ads and start having your first $100, $200, $500 days with affiliate marketing with Clickbank, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to know how to put this all together, how to get done for you affiliate website, how to get ad copy that will convert, and how to work together one-on-one personally with me, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can DM me. Yes, you can personally build that relationship with me. You can reach out to me and ask me questions, but I only accept serious people. Why? Because I don't want to waste my time, and I don't want to waste your time either. So if you're a serious person, if you have some kind of ad budget, right? It's not free. Again, it's not free. So if you have some serious commitment, and if you have some kind of ad budget ready, then do let me know. Below this video are links, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get more helpful tips like this, and see you in the next video.